Sir Justice Ashutosh Kumar, Chief Justice Guwahati High Court, and Patron-in-Chief Assam State Legal Service Authority, Honorable Chief Justices of the participating High Courts, Honorable Mr. Justice Michael Jothan Khoma, Judge, Guwahati High Court and Executive Chairman, Assam State Legal Service Authority, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be present at the East Zone Regional Conference of the National Legal Service Authority here today. The conference brings together the collective experience and wisdom of the judiciary and legal service institution from eastern and northeastern states. It is a meeting of minds committed to the common goal of making justice accessible, simple, and meaningful for every citizen. I welcome all the distinguished judges and members of the district legal service authorities and participants representing the 12 states to Assam and to the city of Guwahati on this important occasion. Your presence here reflects the strength of our justice system and our collective belief that law is not just a set of rules but a bridge of trust between the state and the people. Since independence, the judiciary has stood firm as one of the strongest institutions of our democracy. As the custodian of our citizens' rights and freedom, it has always played a vital role in upholding the rule of law and maintaining the balance among the four pillars of democracy. Whether it is resolving dispute between the center and the states, between the state and citizen, or among the states themselves, our judiciary has acted as the true guardian of human rights, the protector of the Constitution, and the upholder of our democratic values. But the judiciary's rule goes far beyond delivering justice. It has also empowered citizens by helping them understand their rights and by defending those rights through landmark judgments. Over the years, our judiciary has produced many great legal minds and earned global respect for its high standards and noble ideals. Its landmark decisions have strengthened our legal and constitutional framework and built a progressive body of law that inspires confidence and trust. The wisdom and commitment of our honorable judges and members of the bar have given our judicial system unparalleled strength, depth, and vitality. Further, the introduction of e-courts, online lok adalats, and digital legal services shows how our judiciary has embraced technology. This step demonstrates foresight and adaptability, ensuring that justice evolves with society. The creation of NALSA and its network of legal service authorities has strengthened our judiciary's commitment to ensure justice for all. It upholds the constitutional promise that justice must not be limited by economic and social barriers. It also ensures that even the poorest, the voiceless, and the people in remote areas can access justice. Through lok adalats, legal literacy programs, and paralegal volunteers, NALSA has taken justice closer to the people. It has reduced litigation, empowered people, and restored their faith in law as a means of peace and reconciliation. Under the leadership of the honorable judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, NALSA has grown into a nationwide movement today. It provides legal aid, spread legal awareness, and help the underprivileged use the law in their daily lives. The Lok Adalat movement in particular has been one of the most impactful innovation in Indian legal history. It has shown that not all disputes need procedural disposal, as many of them can be resolved through dialogue and compromises. NALSA's effort inside prisons are equally important, where legal aid ensure that no person remains deprived of justice for want of representation. NALSA's awareness campaign in school, college and the village have helped citizens understand their rights and duties. The true strength of NALSA lies in its human network of paralegal volunteers and legal aid councils who connect the law with the people. I deeply appreciate their invaluable service to make justice accessible for all. Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has often spoken about making justice delivery accessible, swift and technology driven. He has also emphasized that in a rapidly progressing nation like India, delayed justice is denied justice. He has laid emphasis that our legal system should match our economic and social transformation. The Prime Minister's vision is to build a justice delivery system that is efficient and transparent, powered by digital innovation and reform. Under his leadership, the Government of India has launched several transformative initiatives. These initiatives reflect our resolve to make justice delivery a seamless citizen service. As a state government, we in Assam fully endorse and support this vision. Assam has a proud judicial legacy. The Guwahati High Court has long been the guardian of justice for the entire Northeast. Its contribution have shaped not only Assam's legal framework but also that of our neighboring states. Our judiciary has always upheld need to protect individual and community rights. It has played a vital role in maintaining peace and harmony during challenging times. The Government of Assam has been working closely with the judiciary to strengthen judicial infrastructure and improve access to justice. Over the last few years, several new court complexes have been established in districts like Borpeta, Golaghat, Sibsagar, Kamrup and Dhubri. These modern facilities including meditation room, libraries, vulnerable witness center and digital connectivity. Work is also progressing on an integral judicial township for the Guwahati High Court and subordinate courts at Rangmahal in Kamrup district, measuring almost 40 acres of land. This project in 2 phases will be commissioned with a total outlay of more than 1,000 crores. This reflects our commitment to institutional modernization. We have made steady progress in bringing digital transformation to our justice delivery system. Today, technology is helping us make justice faster, more transparent and more accessible to every citizen. E-filing has now been made mandatory for all categories of cases, making the process faster, paperless and more efficient. Virtual courts are helping reduce pendency, especially in traffic-related matters, allowing people to resolve cases without having to physically appear in court. The MSCT portal and STEP system have greatly improved transparency and speed in case tracking and service of summons. These digital platforms have made our courts more accountable and citizen-friendly. Under the Nyaya Shruti rules, video conferencing has been allowed in trials and hearings. These save times, reduce costs, and make justice more inclusive. Boroha mobile app developed by the Guwahati High Court provides distressed women immediate help. Similarly, the online e-Seva Kendra chatbot has made court-related information accessible to public without needing to visit a court or office. We have taken steps to reduce case backlogs. Around 81,000 petty cases have been withdrawn, allowing courts to focus on serious offences and reducing congestion in jail. Fast-track special courts, POSCO courts and special tribunal have been set up to ensure timely disposal of sensitive cases. The state government has supported the Assam State Legal Service Authority in expanding its reach to even the remotest area from riverine island to border district. All these initiatives are guided by one principle, that justice is done efficiently. I compliment the Chief Justice and judges of Honorable Guwahati High Court for these revolutionary steps. The Northeast, with its rich diversity of languages and custom, presents unique challenges to the justice delivery system. However, it also offers valuable lessons in community-based resolution. Traditional practices and modern law can together make justice more participatory and responsive. Here, the legal service authorities have a key role in linking the two by spreading awareness, resolving local disputes through lok adalats, and strengthening access to justice at the grassroots. The Assam government will continue to work closely with NALSA and state legal service authorities to make justice delivery simple, swift, and inclusive. In this context, the NALSA's East Zone Regional Conference in Guwahati holds special significance as it deliberates on some of the key critical issues and social concerns of our region, which I would like to highlight. The practice of child marriage in several eastern and northeastern states continue to pose socio-legal challenges. The overlap between the POSCO Act and the child marriage laws has created conflicting outcomes. What we need today is a harmonized legal framework. Education, awareness and empowerment of girls must remain our most effective tools for prevention of child marriage. The Northeast proximity to international borders have made it vulnerable to the drug trade. Assam, in its fight against drugs, have been registering over 3,000 NDPS cases every year and seizing large quantities of heroin, ganja and other substances. This reflects both the gravity of the problem and our strong resolve. However, porous border, organized network and hesitation of witnesses continue to obstruct. This conference provides a platform to deliberate on stronger enforcement, witness protection, rehabilitation and youth awareness. Protection of the rights of tribal population is another issue. Our tribal communities are the guardians of forests, culture and tradition. Laws such as 5th and 6th Schedule, the PESA Act and the Forest Right Act 2006 safeguard their rights. NALSA's new Sambad scheme will help spread awareness and ensure legal aid to the tribal communities. This conference gives us opportunities to strengthen institutional mechanism in this regard. Welfare of tea garden communities is one of our focus area. The tea garden workers of Assam are the backbone of our tea industry. However, many of them still face challenges of poverty, poor health and lack of access to education and justice. I am happy to learn that Assam State Legal Service authorities have taken initiative to set up legal aid clinics in all 800 tea estates across the state. This initiative, inaugurated during this conference, marks a major step towards justice and dignity for the tea garden population. Mental health remains one of our most neglected public concerns. The Mental Health Care Act upholds the right to treatment and dignity. However, its implementation requires greater awareness and coordination. We have a vital role in ensuring the person of medical illness, whether prisoners, the homeless, or victims of abuse, are protected and justice is ensured. I am confident that the deliberation at this conference will help evolve framework that links mental health with access of justice. As we look forward a Viksit Bharat by 2047, we must strengthen our justice system as an engine of empowerment. Viksit Bharat envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister is not just a goal but a national mission to transform India. It calls upon every sectors, governance, economy, education and justice to work together for a strong, equitable and self-reliant India. In this journey, justice delivery will play a defining role. We must therefore focus on making justice accessible, affordable and timely for all. Our priorities for the future should be clear and forward-looking. The first area of focus should be digital access to justice. We must use technology to bring justice closer to the people. Legal aid and advice should be available through mobile apps, online platforms and village service center. No one should have to travel miles just to seek help. Legal awareness in every village should be another priority. Every citizen should know their rights and responsibilities. When people understand the law, they become stronger and more confident. We should equally focus on gender-sensitive justice. A fair society ensures that women feel safe, respected and supported at every stage of the legal process. We must engage our youth. Our young students, law graduates and the social workers must become the messenger of justice. Their energy can take legal awareness to the remotest parts of the country. Environment and climate justice should get equal importance. As we build our future, we must protect our environment. Laws that safeguard our forests, river and biodiversity are just not policies, they are promises to the future generation. In the Viksit Bharat, justice must move at the pace of society and technology. As we march forward towards realization of this vision, our justice system must reflect the same spirit of innovation, compassion and accountability that defines the vision of our Prime Minister. The Indian democracy is defined by the rule of law, which is not a subjective ideal but a living principle. Every judge, lawyer and paralegal volunteer strengthen the moral foundation of our nation. Our government deeply values its partnership with the judiciary. Together we will continue to build modern infrastructure, use technology and uphold the constitutional promise of equal access to justice for all. I am confident that this conference will renew our shared resolve to ensure that every citizen finds fairness, dignity and the trust in the justice system. With this, I join the Chief Justice of Honorable Guwahati High Court in welcoming Honorable Justice Suryakan and other Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, Judges of various Chief Justices of various High Courts of Northeast and Eastern region in this important conference. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.
Thank you, sir. I would now request Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Honorable Minister of State, Law and Justice, Independent Charge, Government of India, to kindly address this distinguished gathering. Shri Meghwal had earlier served the country as Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, Minister of State for Water Resources, and Minister of State for Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises.